Hello, in this video I will show you how you can customize your quick settings on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to swipe down your quick settings menu and swipe down again. And here is your quick settings, and from here you can find these three dots in the top right corner. You have to click on it and click edit tiles. And now you are able to remove or add some tiles to your quick settings. So let's get rid of for example share with iPhone and also device controls. And now I also can add some tiles from here by clicking plus. So let's take song search, bedtime mode, for example, and also I can move this quick settings by holding on it. And if I want to have this option on the first place, I just simply have to hold and place it on the first place, like bedtime, for example. Also, I I comfort. Let's take it for the second. So now, when it's done, you have to go back, and as you can see, I have this features on my first place from here. So basically, that's all. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel.